These are the tools required for this procedure. Extend the awning approximately 6 inches to allow for working space between the front bar and the awning chassis. Slide a ratchet strap around an awning arm at the elbow joint and move it to within 12 inches of the shoulder joint and front bar clamp. Then tighten the strap. Repeat the previous step with the other awning arm. Mark the position of the F-bracket that is closest to the shoulder bracket by placing a strip of painter's tape on the torsion bar on each side of the bracket. Repeat on opposite side. If replacing a motor side arm, unplug the wind sensor cable from the wind sensor on the front bar. Then remove the wire from the channel on the back side of the awning chassis. Remove the clear rubber stoppers holding the cable in place in the channel. Then remove the cable from the channel. Unplug or disconnect the cable. Remove the 2 screw caps from the heads of each of the bolts securing the shoulder assembly to the torsion bar. Using a 13mm socket and ratchet or open-ended wrench, remove the nuts, bolts, and washers securing the shoulder assembly to the torsion bar. Remove the bolt cap from the front bar connector. Use a 1/2 inch socket to remove the bolt attaching the arm to the front bar connector. Then remove the arm assembly from the torsion bar. With the assistance of the suggested number of helpers to hold the awning in place, then remove the arm assembly. With the new arm assembly secured with the ratchet strap, align the shoulder bracket assembly of the replacement awning arm between the edges of the painter's tape on the torsion bar. Secure the shoulder bracket to the torsion bar with the 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and 2 washers, but do not over-tighten. Insert the white nylon bushing. Install washer and bolt through arm and tighten down to front bar connector. Reconnect the cable. Then install it into the channel and insert rubber stoppers into the channel to secure the cable in place. Then pull the cable through the front arm channel on the top of the arm and plug it into the wind sensor. Press the cord into the channel on the back side of the awning chassis. Press a rubber stopper into the channel next to the shoulder to pin the cord in place.